like us now to welcome, also with a flower, our next two speakers. Professor Anand Yavahare is a retired professor of mathematics at Nagpur University. And Sanjay is presenter or co-presenter. Sanjay Deshpande is associate professor of mathematics at Bhavabhuti Mahavidyalaya in Amagam. And they will be, or Mr. Deshpande will be presenting their joint work on the Jyotpati of Bhaskaracharya, the sign of determination.
Now, we are presenting a paper, Jyotpati. Jyotpati is a topic related with trigonometry. It contains all the trigonometrical results, trigonometrical values of different angles, sine of formula related with sine of A plus B, and Tatkalika, all these parts they are related in Jyotpati. Jyotpati is a 25 stanza present in a Guladhyaya. At the end of Guladhyaya, Bhaskaracharya has given a Jyotpati. Bhaskaracharya, Bhaskar II, was one of the great mathematicians India has produced. This text, Siddhant Shiromani, was treated as the base for further research-oriented results by mathematicians after him. Survasutra, Siddhant Shiromani contains two parts, Goladhyaya and Grahaganita. Jyotpati is the last chapter in Goladhyaya. Jyotpati consists of 25 sloka or stanza, all in Sanskrit language. It is general impression that Siddhant Shiromani contained Leelavati and Bijganit also, but it is not so. The text Jyotpati deals with trigonometry. This was a milestone in developing geometry in India. Ja means sign and Utpatti means creation. Hence the name Jyotpati, Ja plus Utpatti. Ja and Koja or Kotija stands for R sine and R cosine ratios respectively. The trigonometry developed by Bhaskar II is based on circle of radius R. This was a basic difference in trigonometry whatsoever Bhaskar II has developed, and not on a right angled triangle as taught in school. In school, while studying trigonometry, initially we draw a right angled triangle and then we construct ratio. But Bhaskar II has developed a trigonometry using circle. After defining Ja, Kotija, Utkarma Ja, 1 sine of Ja, that is 1 minus sine theta, Bhaskar obtained this ratio for standard angles, and he has obtained this ratio for standard angle using inscribing a regular polygon inside a circle. And these angles are angle of 30 degree by inscribing hexagon in a circle, 45 degrees by inscribing a regular square inside a circle, angle of 60 degree by inscribing equilateral triangle inside a circle, angle of 36 degree by inscribing a pentagon, and 20 degrees by inscribing a regular polygon of side 9, all in degrees. By increasing a regular polygon in a circle of radius R, Bhaskara called these angles as Panchajata. Not only this, Bhaskara developed these results for addition, subtraction of two angles. This was further developed for similar results for multiple angles. Bhaskara compares Ja and Kotija with the longitude and latitude of Earth and those with lateral threads of cloth. Sine of an angle. Consider the following 6 stanzas in Sanskrit. Acharyanam padvihi jyotpatya jnataya yato yatihi, and these are the total 6 stanzas in which he has described all the sine values. The collective meaning of these stanzas is as follows. One who will acquire a knowledge of Jyotpatti will be the rank Acharya and will be an astronomer. The graphical method of obtaining the sine values of various angles can be studied by drawing the described circle of radius r. The jaw of an arc of circle may be defined as the length of half of the chord of twice the arc. The square of the radius is diminished by the square of r sine of an arc is equal to the kotija r sine of the arc. Half the radius is equal to the ja r sine if r is of 30 degrees. This means that r sine theta, which is equal to r by 2, this gives sine theta is equal to 1 by 2, which is really the arrow between the bow and bowstring is known almost the scholars as the verse sign. Thus, Bhaskaracharya proved ja of 45 degrees, which is equal to r by root 2. This was the interesting result, that how Bhaskaracharya has developed all these results. The side of a regular polygon, Bhaskaracharya obtained the side of regular polygon inscribed in a circle using a given formula. These 4 sutras contain the formula. He has given different values and a method of constructing a side of regular polygon inscribed in a circle. If we know a diameter of a circle, we can obtain a side of a regular polygon inscribed in a circle. This result actually stated in Leelavati also from Shloka 202 to 204. These values are also given in Leelavati. The radius multiplied by 5878 and divided by 10,000 is r sine of 36 degree, and r cosine of that is r sine of 54. This gives r sine of 36 degrees is equal to r into 5878 divided by 10,000, or r sine of 36 degrees is equal to 0.5878. General formula to obtain a side of regular polygon. The formula for side of regular polygon is Sn, that is side of regular polygon, is equal to d, which is diameter. Pn is a coefficient given by the Bhaskaracharya divided by 1,20,000, where Sn is equal to the side of regular polygon of side n. Pn is equal to coefficients 1,03,923. It is a coefficient for a equilateral triangle inscribed in a polygon, then 84,853, and so on up to a side of regular polygon of side 9. And d is diameter of circle. If you are going to increase the circle, naturally a value of side is going to increase there. In particularly, when d is equal to 1,20,000, Sn is equal to Pn. Naturally, this 1,20,000 will get cancelled, and it was the diameter of that circle. But for n is equal to 3, a side of equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle is d into 0.8660. For n is equal to 4, a value of side, that is of square inscribed in a circle, is d into 0.7071, and so on. You are going to obtain the values of regular polygon of side n. Using these results, Bhaskara gave a formula for finding a sine of an angle. If Sn is equal to d into sine of pi divided by n, that is where n is the number of sides, Bhaskara obtained these values of sine of various angles as sine of pi by 3, that is sine 60, which is 0.8660, and you will observe this value here, that is for n is equal to 3, a coefficient is 0.8660. For sine of pi by 4, that is sine of 45 degrees, it is 0.7071, which is side, and here it is also for s is equal to 4, d into 0.7071. And in the same way, here only sine of pi by 6 is not there. I have not written because sine of pi by 6 is 30 degrees, which is 1 by 2. The other values of sine of different angles can be used by these methods of numerical analysis. Interestingly, Bhaskara have given 6 different methods to find the value of sine of an angle. These are given in shloka 11 to 20. That is, I have mentioned 10 shlokas here. From 11 to 20, further processes are. The addition and subtraction theorem, that is sine of a plus b, it was given in this shloka 21 and 22. They means the r sine of any two arcs of a circle are reciprocally multiplied by their r cosines, and their product is divided by the radius. The sum of the quotient is equal to r sine of sum of two arcs, and their difference is an r sine of difference of arcs. Mathematically, this means r ja of alpha plus beta is equal to ja alpha into cotija of beta plus minus koja of alpha into ja of beta. This amount sin of alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha into cos beta plus minus cos alpha into sin beta. Bhaskara gave 2 methods for the proof of this result. Bhaskara called this addition and subtraction theorem of sine as samasa bhavana and antara bhavana respectively. From the above formula, Bhaskara defined the results for sine of 2 alpha, sine of 3 alpha and other values of multiple of angles. Actually, we cannot find a result in Jyotpatti related with r sine of alpha plus beta, that is just cos of alpha plus beta. Here the result only for sine is there, but this result for cos of alpha plus beta was stated by Kamalakara in Siddhanta Tattva Viveka. Bhuja Koti Karna Nyaya. This means that Bhaskara has given the proof, so-called Pythagoras theorem. If alpha x, y, z form a right angle triangle with z as hypotenuse, then x square plus y square is equal to z square. Here x is bhuja, that is base, koti means perpendicular, and karna means hypotenuse. Bhaskara introduced the instantaneous methods for finding relative motion of planets. He called this method as Tatkalika Ganita. Gati. He states if theta and theta dash means angle of moving planets at different instants from a fixed position, then sine of theta dash minus sine theta is equal to theta dash minus theta into cos theta. This result suggests the definition of differential d theta if we use theta dash is equal to theta plus delta theta. This gives sine of theta plus delta theta minus sine theta is equal to delta theta into cos theta. That is, cos theta is equal to sine theta plus delta theta minus sine theta upon delta theta. In the reference of calculus, if delta theta tends to 0, this result gives derivative of sine theta. This suggests that Bhaskara knew the concept of limiting value of theta and consequently that of a derivative in 12th century. Newton in 1662 to 1726 and Leibniz introduced the same concept in 17th century, but that is 500 years after Bhaskara. Not in Jyotpatti, but in Goladhyaya, part of Bhaskara Siddhanta Shiromani states the mode of derivation of a formula for volume and surface area of sphere by slicing a sphere into number of parallel circular discs and then their summation. This suggests the concept of integration as a limit of sum. Comments. Ja and Koti ja, now sine and cosine, are defined on a unit circle and not by using a right angle triangle as stated by Pythagoras. The concept of bow and bowstring arrow used by Bhaskara in defining trigonometric ratio is from Bodhayan geometry of period 18 years BC. The concept of Surma Sutra is best defining ja and Koti ja. The ratio are defined on the arc of circle of radius r subtending angle theta at the corner of circle and not angles directly. Initially, graphical methods are applied. Tatkalika method instantaneous introduced for motion of planets. Many results have been derived using Goladhyaya. Without relating Goladhyaya, Jyotpatti will be difficult to understand. Though Jyotpatti is a small text, it is a landmark in development of ancient and medieval trigonometry. Bhaskara wrote Lilavati, Bijganit, Goladhyaya and Grahaganita of all texts of mathematics in Sanskrit language without using any tools of available in modern days. These are the references: John Stitchwell, Mohan Apte, and Godbole and Thakur Das. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Gopal. Have we questions, or comments, observations, or discussion talk on the subject of the Jyotpatti in general?
My name is Nitish Upadhyay, and I want to ask a question that at the start you said that Bhaskaracharya used to make a circle, then make x and y axis, then solve the problem. So can I say by this basis that his mathematics was so strong that he knows our planet Earth is round, means on the basis of that. It's just my imagination that he used to know, means he's supposed to know that our Earth is round, and he made that x and y axis on the circle because he knows the Earth is round. Maybe
No, he is not developed trigonometry by Earth is circular or like that. He initially draw a circle,
okay.
then he constructed a chord, drop a perpendicular on that chord and join the half chord which is above with the circle with the center, naturally he will obtain a right angle triangle. Okay?
Yes.
And then further he has developed all this trigonometry.
That is called as, I
Okay?
think,
And he has not constructed initially right angle triangle. Initially he has constructed a circle and then he has developed a trigonometry.
I will slightly add to what he has explained. The trigonometry, what Jyotpati has given, is basically, he has also mentioned Borahan geometry. About 800 years BC, that is 800 years before Pythagoras. Now, Pythagoras started with a right angle triangle base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. That did not happen in case of Borahan. The entire trigonometry was based on the basis of the diameter of a circle and chord of a circle. That's all. Sin theta, cos theta, all those 6 ratios, they were based on the chord and the diameter of a circle and nothing else. That is the major difference, not a right angle triangle. And that is why we have that example of bow and arrow and bow string and all that. This is the reason.